Oh yes, who loves it? Who loves it? Hi, this is Barclay from Cooking with Barclay and Wyatt. Hola, amigos. Hold on. Well, let's go see what Wyatt's up to on Cooking with Barclay and Wyatt.
You're a good rainbow jumper girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, 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 you are.
Don't sneak up on me like that. I'm serious. Hey there! On today's show of Cooking with Wyatt and Barclay, we're gonna cook some delicious popcorn. Let's go. And before we get cooking, we're gonna show you some sneak peeks of the last 2 episodes if you weren't with us. Here we go.
What?
What are you gonna do for? What is all this stuff here on the counter?
This stuff is stuff for s'mores.
Good raisins.
Go get dressed. Next,
Yummy.
we put the raisins in.
I already put them in.
I need more raisins. Then
I think I'm deceased. Wasn't that exciting? Now, let's go get some ingredients.
Come on, kids. Hi, Mom.
Here we have, in our ingredients, we have some Sierra Mist Lemon Lime Soda. We have some hand soap, best eaten by October 22nd, 2004. Sounds good to me. And then we got some cinnamon. We got some Diet Lipton green tea with citrus. Then we got some mug root beer, no caffeine. We got some
little bit of butter.
Country Rock spread Country Rock butter. Imported from you from Colburn's and Walmart.
And last but not least, Diet Pepsi.
And mug root beer. More mug. Let's go get the popcorn out of the microwave. Our most important ingredient. We already got it ready for you. Ooh, looks a little burnt.
I hesitated to remember to tell him the water was
Which way does
hot.
mine mean hot or cold?
I mean the popcorn was hot.
Which way?
This way is cold. Right. Push it. Go ahead and plunge that.
Oh, so hot!
Well, since Wyatt's tongue is burnt, we're gonna go to a commercial break.
At least his towel can now hide my dignity and shame. 1, 2, 3, go!
They say a man should always for the job he wants. So why am I dressed up like a pirate in this restaurant? It's all because some hacker stole my identity. Now I'm in here every evening serving chowder, and I see you're gone to free credit report.com. I could have seen this coming at me like an atom bomb. They monitor your credit and send you email alerts so you don't end up selling fish to a t-shirt.
To make it, why don't you go ahead and pour the Sierra Mist in? No. This is the Sierra Mist. Yes, over here, right there. Yes, like that. Yes, you're doing great. Right there. That boy. There you go. Good job. And now I will add the cinnamon. That ought to be enough.
I think so was positive.
And now we're going to add some Pepsi. Why not just put the whole can in there? Yes. And now we'll add butter.
Smells delish.
Butter juice in there. Yeah. And now put some Lipton green tea. Sold at Target, Walmart, and Colburn's.
Can I feel the popcorn?
No. I said no. And now for some mug root beer. What are you doing?
That's
No,
here on this
no,
side of the
that goes
house.
over here. Yeah, right. Good boy. And
That's here.
doesn't
It
this look
smells good.
tasty? Just look at our concoction of concoction and numminess. Now to third up. I can't tell you how extremely awesome this is.
Oh, I got some on my hands.
Now I take this out because the flavor is off of it.
Feels like soggy oatmeal.
That is a very good explanation. It feels like soggy oatmeal. And now for the taste test.
Who's tasting it? Tom, you're me.
Me. I will be tasting this.
I want some of this darn popcorn.
Fine, we'll both taste it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's taste this thingy yumminess. And this is another episode of Cooking with Wyatt and Barclay. See you next time. Hello, this is Cooking with Barclay and Wyatt, and I am Barclay. Hi! Let's go see what Wyatt's doing on Cooking with Barclay and Wyatt. God, you gotta tell us what you are.
Well, now before we get cooking, we're gonna, in case you weren't with us the last 2 episodes, we're gonna show you some of the clip scenes